Hi guys, this is A from Ilocksmiths. Today we're changing an ignition to a Dodge Journey 2008. This is the bad ignition. I'm still working to take it out. The connection is right here. And I'll show you the new one. This is the new one. It comes brand new with the pin code. This is the pin code, because after you install this one you need to program a new key and you must have the pin code. So let's do it. I unplugged the cable from the old one. That's the new one. So let's do the programming. We're gonna make sure everything is working fine, and then we're gonna install it right here. Okay, this one and this one, it's two new keys. I didn't program it yet. Let's try it. One key goes on, ignition is on, but security light is blinking, as you see. So we're gonna try to program it. We have the pin code right here, 3316. I don't know if you can see it. 3316. Okay. Program new keys. That's the pin code again. 3316. Okay, program success. Second. Security light still blinking. I don't know why. But let's try to start the car. 1 second. Okay, let's check what's the problem. The old ignition is still here. This is the new ignition, as you see. I just finished to program it. It's done. I'm going to show you first. As you see, the motor is working. Also the other one. Now let's start the car. Car is on. Okay, now we need to take this off and put this one back, and we're done. Okay, the ignition is out. This is the new one. Where's the old one? I don't know even where's the old one. Put it somewhere. I don't know where is it. It's somewhere over here, but we're gonna put this one on back, and we're about to finish. Okay, if you guys are gonna ask me why it's an expensive job, and why the dealer also charging so much, look, what is it? Everything need to come out in order to change the ignition again. Everything. That's the new one, that's the old one. This one going in. Inside, everything's still open. I need to put the parts back. That's the old one. 1 second. That's the old ignition. Which is going to the garbage, and let's try it. Give it a shot. Let's see how things working. Okay, first okay, the key is working. If you hear that click. Yep, that's one key. And this is the second key. So let's put all these parts back. Everything is out over here. Okay guys, everything is done. Everything back to place. replace ignition and 2 keys. The job is done. Anything you need, Ilocksmiths, Brooklyn, 1742 Coney Island Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, 11230, 718-504-5625. Have a good one.